Leila Swana is an Italian model and TikTok star, well known for dancing, comedy model and lip sync video. She is an American citizen who was born in Italy and well known for work, performance for adult. On December 4, 2018, she has made her TikTok debut in a video which she used to filter modify the color of hair. She rose to fame on social media thanks to her aesthetic outspoken move on the coloring. Across she has rated by YouTube with a silver play button for her distinction producing social media content, especially on YouTube. 20,000 baht plus Italy, age 22 years. Jyoti Singh Taurus. Leila Swana netted 1 million because she has a million followers on social media. On YouTube, she has more than 50,000 subscribers for the brand promotion. So it's to her own around 1 million. Height 5 feet 4 inches, weight 52 kg, eye color black, hair color black, religion Christian. How to earn California United States. Current address California United States. Material test unmarried. Hobbies Oasis move and OA. Series dancing. As well, YouTube and silver play button. 40 million people have liked and followed her Leila TikTok account. On her Leila Swana Baka Instagram page, who is active 210,000 followers. She has a post picture or herself modeling. She has achieved international recognition with Mexico, the UK, Japan, and the American began. The nation she is the most well known, as I said in video post. December 2021. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.